Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, this video is makikita nyo ang compilation of what happened sa weekend ko with my family. Some of them are like sobrang nakakatawa. Please keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye! Funny. I forgot. I don't have a cat.
Tari, nakabotaw.
Ano ba yung dala mong bag?
Ha?
Para kang nagdivisorya.
Naku. Parang ano?
Wala akong dalang pera.
Ha?
Wala akong dalang pera.
Para saan?
Pambigay dyan dalawa.
Nabigyan na namin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hirap.
Ang lakas ng tita Bila mo. Siya tagakuha ng vloggage ko sa taas.
Hi.
Na-excite.
Nakita namin kayo.
Welcome back.
Ay ba?
Welcome back. Ikaw dapat ang welcome back.
Nakikita kami?
Yeah.
Nagtatawa niyo kami?
Oo.
Ito sa abota yun sa nakaano. Sperry.
Peri ka pa. Sabi niya, pangit mo.
Sabi ko nga kay Mila, Tito Mila, dapat sa'yo nakapalda na kaya bestida kasi engkong na yun. Probo kang ang tagal niya doon sa ex.
Gagakapita.
Ito naman si Ate. Kusuming-kusuming. Bakit? Kasi, iwalay na sila nitong sigo ng boyfriend niya.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, that's my Tita Mila Extra.
We have in Maryland now.
I was eating chocolate.
Ang ganda ko yata dyan.
And then Brad just called me and for some reason he said like, go ahead, turn on your camera, vlog.
Yeah, you gotta get your blog on.
So guys, look what he got me because I've been asking for this, so it will be easier. Sorry, I'm eating
This is
chocolate.
spoiled, rotten.
So this is what I get. This is what he get. He got me this one.
good
Thank you
like
so
that.
much, baby. Thank you, baby.
Love you, Brad.
Thank you, baby. But
Bakit ikaw ba binigyan ng camera?
but you know who's talking? See, oh.
Lali,
Look.
Lali.
Look.
Oh, labing Lali. Thank you, Brad. Oh,
The baby.
Yes.
Gotta love them. They got experience. No, but come downstairs.
Okay, guys, I'm going downstairs, so come on with me. I don't
Show them
know.
This, right?
I don't know. Why? Why do you want me to go downstairs? What?
Well, look at the back door. Look at the back door.
I'm going to look to the back door.
Look down. Look down. You're standing
Look
on it.
down.
Chica.
Look down. Oy, meron ka ng bed dito. Hindi
Hold
ko
on.
na yung bed ni...
Hold on. Let me show you. Guys, look. He told me to go down in the basement because I thought he bought me something else. It's a surprise. This. He got this. This. Yeah, this. This.
Baby, now look at the computer.
See the rag.
So you see guys, I was sitting in the sofa eating chocolates and then he told me to go downstairs because he wants to show me something. He got the rug. So now let me go here. Okay, he got me another rug for my work, so that's a good thing. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Thank
But
you.
that way you
Eh, tignan mo, dami niyang mga...
have to adjust.
Bye guys. I'm going to eat chocolate again.